Today video is very important because now at this point of the time when there are a lot of queries from the Nagaland, like which is the best IS coaching institute in Nagaland. There are a lot of UPSC toppers from Nagaland, like you can see that Yukum, Velatolu, W.O. Tula. These are the IS toppers from Nagaland. So here the question arises, which is the best IS coaching in Nagaland? So if you see on the screen, as per the research report by our education, the ranking of best UPSC coaching institute in Nagaland says at rank 1 position is Plutus IS Coaching Institute. Plutus IS Coaching Institute is at rank 1 position. Plutus IS Coaching Institute is premier UPSC coaching in Nagaland. When it comes to UPSC examination preparation in Nagaland, Plutus IS is the first choice of the UPSC aspirants from Nagaland. Then comes Yojana IS Coaching Institute. Please see the logo of the Yojana IS Coaching Institute. This institute operates from Delhi and in Nagaland as well. Yojana IS Coaching Institute offering live interactive classes, which is as good as classroom coaching. So, at rank 1 position is Plutus IS Coaching. Please see the logo of the Plutus IS Coaching Institute. Let me clear it you out that Plutus IS in Nagaland is available in live interactive form. When we talk about the UPSC aspirants from Nagaland, they want to prepare for UPSC from Best Coaching Institute. And as you all know that the Best IS Coaching Institute are primarily located in the Delhi. Okay. So Plutus IS Coaching Institute has initiated and take this honor to help UPSC aspirants preparing for UPSC. If we talk about from where people in Nagaland are preparing for UPSC, you can see that as per our research report, Best IS Coaching in Nagaland, Plutus IS, Yojana IS, The Hindu Zone, Imperial, Gyanaj.com. These are the only institute which you should check when it comes to UPSC examination preparation. In Nagaland, there are a lot of the people who want to prepare for UPSC. They want to move forward, serve the nation. Earlier, they were not much curious to prepare for UPSC, but now you can see that there are a lot of people clearing UPSC examination from Nagaland. So, guys, for you it is important that you should have that knowledge. You should have the insight from where you should prepare for UPSC. The Hindu Zone guidance platform that you are seeing right now on your screen is also one of the best platform for UPSC preparation. If you are looking to prepare for UPSC but you are not aware of like what kind of subjects, optional subjects and test series and how you should start preparing these, if you have these kind of the questions, then thehinduzone.com is the right platform for you. Plus on thehinduzone.com you can get video lectures in just around 15,000, 5,000. If you cannot afford much for UPSC, then this platform can be very good for you. There are a lot of Nagaland UPSC aspirants opting for this platform. So guys, if you ask me which is the number 1 IS coaching in Nagaland, from where UPSC aspirants in Nagaland prepare, then it is Plutus IS Coaching Institute. Keep in mind that the top 5 IS coaching in Nagaland are Plutus IS, Yojana IS, The Hindu Zone, Imperial, Gyanaj.com. Guys, Gyanaj.com is one of the best platform if you do not have, if you are on tight budget, like if you want to prepare for UPSC in 10,000 and 12,000 without compromising the quality of the teaching. But yes, you will not get probably if you do not fall into the scholarship path, then in this you won't be getting the test series and all. But rest, if you are not able to pay high the UPSC coaching, then Gyanaj.com can be the best platform for you. Visit Gyanaj.com, you will be able to find the website and all the details of the institute. Guys, thanks for watching this video. Just below this video you will be seeing the important research report Just see that research report below this video, which will be very helpful for you. Read that research report diligently. Thanks for watching this video. Happy learning.